Here we have again the similar type of the question that we did in the question number 22 of integrated algebra series that's related to set theory. Let me read first the question. Question is saying here, given set, universal set U equals to S, it's containing the elements S-O-P-H-I-A, Sophia. And we have another set B that is containing A, I and O, right? If set B is the subset of set U, what is the complement of set B? Okay, so here what we have we have the universal set U that is containing the element S, O, P, H, I and A, all right? And we have another set B which is A, I, O. These are the elements representing the set B. And from the question, according to question, what we have that B is the subset of U, all right? So if you represent this into the Venn diagram, all right, it's something like this, you know. Let's say this is universal set U, all right, and let me make a circle for the elements containing B, all right? So here is the set B that is containing A, I and O. So let's write all the elements left into the outside. So S is here, O is already here, P is not present in B, so P will be here, H is also not present here, so we can write here H, and I is already present here and A is also already present here. So what is now A complement means? Any set complement means, complement, you know, like we're not taking from that. Like here we have a region of B, so B complement means not from B and everything outside B. So here B complement means everything in this region, you know, everything, but not from B. Okay, so not from the B and everything from outside. So so here in this case actually B complement is something like universal set minus B also, all right? So it's very simple. So simply if I'm writing a B complement, then B complement gives me those elements which are outside the B, that is yes, S, P and H, all right? This is B complement, and this is here, if you see U difference B it is also, or you can say U minus B also in this case particularly, all right? So SPH, let's take a look. SPH, the fourth one, here is our answer, all right? SPH, we have S, P and H, and don't forget this B is representing here the set B, all right? It's not the element, all right? Keep in mind this is representing this.